Hey everyone, Steven, the Salon Guy here, and another exciting video for you today. There's this new trend that GQ just posted about called like boy bangs or something like that. And let's see if I can pull this up. They just did an article. Yeah, so any type of fringe, this is it right here from GQ on Instagram. It says cool guys have boy bangs now. So it seems that fringes are going to be a big trend for 2026. Now, I just posted a couple of haircuts recently, videos here on YouTube that are like mod haircuts, and they've been getting a lot of attention. I even just posted one not that long ago about the biggest haircut trend of 2026, and I did a full haircut of that kind of mod video with a fringe, and it's been getting a lot of attention. So, what I'm going to do today, and it seems like a lot of you like these, is once again, I've used my incredible technology to create haircuts that I think are going to follow that trend. I'm going to break them down for you, and you're going to love these haircuts that I've created. So let's start with the first one. Now, this is very, very similar to the haircut that I just did a full tutorial on less than a week ago or so. This is ideal for someone if you have naturally wavy hair. If you do have straight hair, you can also achieve this. It's just a matter of using the right products like Tidal Wave and, a diffuser. My new hair product, Control Cream, is now live, which I'm really excited about. So it's great for something like this. And this is a haircut to where it's more of a square layered shape. And if you have no idea what that means, it's a type of haircut shape to where it's very boxy. So think of, if you look at me here in the corner, think of like the hair's cut like this. So the top layers are actually longer and it weighs down the corners a bit more. That's why you see the weight and the bulk of the hair in through the corners more than the top. I'm sorry, more the sides around the ear area more than the top because it's more of a square shape. So this is great if you have more of a rounded type of face shape. You don't like your hair poofing out as it grows out, but this is something that I think is going to be a popular haircut for 2026. How do you get this haircut? The main thing is you have to understand that the hair is probably longer than what your hair currently is. Most of the time, and I see this all the time, is your hair is too short. So you have to grow your hair. And if you were to pull this hair down while it was, straight down, or even when it's damp, it's probably coming to the bridge of the nose. And then it shrinks up. So it's not like it's a ton of layering on top. It's more of a square shape where the layering is held up, the corners are left, and the shape is really throughout the corner, the sides, and the back. So this is definitely going to be a haircut that I think a lot of you may be interested in. Now, here is one where if you've got more straight hair, once again, this is following along with that fringe or that bang trend. Some of you are probably saying, oh my gosh, this literally is my hair right now. Then awesome. You're totally in style for 2026. This works great on finer hair. This works great on pin straight hair, on thicker hair. This is more about a triangular shape, which means it's going shorter in the back, longer in the front. Any of these haircuts that I'm showing you, you can show them, take a screenshot of this, show them to your hair professional. These aren't haircuts where you just walk into a random barber shop. You have to find someone, a hairstylist or a barber who understands cutting shapes and doing scissor cuts, right? And this is where, once again, if you were to hold that hair straight down, then it would probably come to about the bridge of the nose. And you're going to see a consistent theme with a lot of these haircuts. And if you are looking to get the new boy bangs or some sort of fringe, the hair is going to come down to at least where the eyebrow is. So you need to make sure that when you're filming, that I'm sorry, when you're getting your haircut, that you are making sure your hair is long enough. Sorry about that. I got very distracted. All right. The next one is, now this is showing kind of like the haircut I just showed you. However, if you notice the sides are a bit more tapered. And this just goes to show that it goes from, shorter around here into longer in the front. So that's where that triangular shape is, going to be playing a huge role. And the hair is perfectly pin straight. Next one. Now, this is getting a bit more edgy. This is definitely a bit more of a, kind of British mod type of style. This is more layered all throughout the head. However, it's very, a lot wispier and thinner throughout the sides and the front. So this maybe is a haircut that is thinned out a lot, which could be done with thinning shears. It could be done with a razor that is a professional tool. And a lot of that weight and heaviness is just scraped out in throughout the front and the sides. So it's just not so heavy. This is another haircut that, again, straight hair. This works great on straight hair. If you have thin hair, you don't want to be getting a haircut like this. You can, but just be careful with the amount that it's thinned out, because you don't want to remove too much of that bulk that looks like you're losing your hair. These are all pretty much, Tidal Wave is a great product for something like this. My structure styler is great for something like this. It just gives like a light, natural texture. My crafted matte pomade is going to be great for this. So again, this is a very unique look. Notice how the sideburns are a bit longer, and it's more of a shape that's covering and coming in towards the face. So again, a very kind of mod Brit type of style, something I think is going to be pretty popular for 2026. Now, here's one where you could see there is a lot more layering on top. Now, this is more of a triangular layered shape. So the entire top is cut out from the head. The length, once again, goes down to about the bridge of the nose, and it's a triangular shape. A common theme here is shorter towards the sides and the back, and it progressively gets longer towards the front. Whether your hair is wavy, whether your hair is straight, the longer your hair is with layers, the more chances you have of being able to scrunch it and create more of a wave or even a curl. That's if your hair is pin straight. If you have waves already or curls already, then when you cut your hair shorter, it actually reduces the amount that your hair curls and waves up. So depending on what look you want, this is once again going to be another popular trend. And then lastly, this is going along with that mod type of style. Pin straight hair. This could be a finer hair texture, but just a lot of it. But it's all coming down towards the face. And then you have the option to kind of, if you want to sweep it over, you can sweep it over a little bit. You can just kind of shake the head and it falls into place. But all of these are haircuts that, as I mentioned, are better off being done by a hair professional, a real hairstylist, a real hair professional, someone who really understands the art of layering and creating shapes in the hair. Because the last thing that you want is to get a haircut like this and then all of a sudden they butcher it, right? They destroy it, especially when it comes to the haircut like this. This is one that you don't want to mess around with. You definitely want to have, somebody who understands haircuts, because you can easily get this butchered. And I am excited to announce once again that my two new products, my Zero hair cleanser is out, because it's a Zero Suds shampoo. So if you have really thick, coarse hair, or you need a little extra love to your hair because it's dry, this is a no suds conditioning shampoo. The smell of this, it's like a vanilla bean. It's the most, like, such an addictive, beautiful fragrance. And when I tell you, your hair feels like absolute silk while it's being cleansed. And it's also great for beards, because I did test this when my beard was a bit longer, and it makes your beard, if you have a beard, feel like incredible. So it's a unisex product. Men's hair, women's hair, doesn't really matter. It's available. And then also my control cream. You can see them popping up here on the screen. My control cream is also available, and I think you're going to love that as well. Great for curly hair, great for wavy hair, great for longer flows. You want something that's literally more designed to control your hair with a very light hold. It's all about control, right? So it gives it like a natural shine. It's not adding any sort of shine. Makes your hair feel healthy. You don't need a lot of it. It makes your hair feel very, very smooth and conditioned. So those are both available, which you can see right now. But let me know if you enjoy these haircuts. Are you getting any of these haircuts? If you enjoy these videos, 'cause I can do these videos like all the time. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.